Hi everyone, it's Ozzy here, and today's video I'm going to share with you how we could solve this issue, your profile picture managed by your organization. This is the error because on the email I want to change the profile picture, and also want to make this public so that anyone who write me email, they're going to see my profile picture. So to do that, we just need to go to our admin console from here. Just go to there. And then you need to go to the user. So go to this directory, then you get to see all of the user here, and then you just need to check from here. So yeah, you're gonna see all of the user here. Go to directory setting, this one. This is the option where we get an option for permission. So go to directory setting, and then go to profile editing, this option. Just click on there. And then you will get to see like this is disable, so make them enable all of them. So right now I just enable all of them and just make them save. So when you're gonna save it, let's go back to the profile again, the Google profile from Gmail. So from here, for example, I go to manage your Google account. So click on there, then you will be redirected to this page. And now let's click on this picture right now. And as you can see, before you're gonna get to see something like this here, whenever you just see maybe like a 2% there. So make sure you change the image. For example, click on this icon, then you're gonna open your files up, then you can select the profile picture that you want to set up, and also make sure that it's right now it's anyone, it's not something like people you interact with. So this is not, make it anyone, so that anyone can see the profile picture. So whenever someone just going to write your, let's say, email here, for example .com, so they're gonna get to see your profile like this picture. Right now it's not, but it's going to be updated when it's going to save. So yeah, they're going to see instantly in the picture on here. So yeah, that's it. I think now it's resolved. Let me know if you have any questions. By the way, if you're new here on my channel, so do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.